Hey yo guys, so now we are going to do the theme. We're going to make a themes bar and the themes will work. So, yeah, in the last episode, well, not episode because this, well, I don't know. But so last time we made the Lua we scripted the Lua C and the quick commands on sticks. Now it's time to make the themes. So now go into Visual Studio and then right click on that and then press Add Tab. Now name it Themes. Like that. So now go ahead and add the ones that you would like, which this one's going to be red. Original. So now, here we go. So this one's going to be blue, green, and then this is going to be hot pink, and then this one I do not know. Let me think. So red, and then this one's going to be green, I'm pretty sure. No, hot pink. Hot pink. And then blue. And then green. And then how about this one will do orange. Orange. That's not how you spell orange. Oh, frick. Hold on. Actually, let's not do orange. We'll just do, how about purple? And this one will be, light blue. So now, this will be in the description below. So, theme script. Now this is what I need. This will be in the description. So now, paste this in. But it'll say color.saddle brown. You can now change that to red. And now, hot pink, boom. Color dot. It'll only work if it's on here, guys. It won't work if it's not on here. So now, blue. This will be a light green because I tried the normal green and yeah, it wasn't good. Light green. And then light blue. Light blue. And then now in here put purple. Boom. And now when you press on start, it'll take a second. Now go to themes and red, hot pink, blue, purple, light blue, and green. As you guys can see, everything is working. So yeah, this is how you make it, and if you guys do not want to make it, then I could, if you want me to, I could maybe make this a file, and then you guys can download it. So yeah, see y'all.